Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel again. And today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and review of this Canon EOS R100 digital DSLR camera from Canon. This is the camera available in India at a price of 65,000, and this has Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity. So now I'm going to open the box and show you the what contents you get inside the box. The first thing you get, this is a small guide which contains the service center locations and other information. And second thing you get is a small guide, a user manual which shows you the basic functions and how to use the basic functions of this DSLR camera. You can use this guide to understand the functions and use the camera comprehensively. And next thing which you get in the box is this charger. This is the official charger from the Canon for this Canon EOS R100 digital camera. Here you can put the battery and charge the battery once it get depleted while using. And the next thing I'm going to show you, and the next thing you get, this is the lens. This is a lens from Canon, a manually operated autofocus lens from Canon, and you have to put it in the shooting mode by your hands like this. And the next thing you get, this is the strap. This is a sturdy and flexible strap which you have to use to hang the camera in your neck. And the next thing is this charging cable which you have to connect with the charger for charging the battery pack. And this is the device, the Canon EOS R100 camera. And the next thing you get is this Canon LP17 battery pack, which has a capacity of 1040 mAh, which is quite good capacity. You can click many pictures from the battery pack. So this is the basic device, the Canon EOS R100 digital DSLR camera. At the front you get the detachable cover, and this is it has a 24.1 megapixels lens. And here you get a 3 inches TFT display, LCD display, which doesn't support touchscreen functions because this is an entry-level device. In Canon EOS R50 you get the touchscreen and a flexible display. Here in this camera you get only a fixed display without touch function. And for fixing the battery, for putting the battery, you have to do this. And here you get on off button and the button for different modes like video modes and display modes. For attaching the lens you have to use it like this for you, and the lens will be attached. For attaching the lens you get a small pushable button here. So this is the camera after attaching the lens. And the next thing you have to do is attach the straps can be easily attachable and detachable in this camera. So I'm going to show you how to attach the strap. Now the camera is fully functional. Here you get the on off button, and you have to operate the camera only with the help of buttons, as this camera doesn't support touchscreen function, which is quite difficult sometimes. But since it's an entry-level camera, you have to work with it. And this camera has a 2.5x optical zoom, and it has a digital flash. And from this button you can change the modes and switch to video and photo. The format for the video is MP4 format. And this device weighs around 356 grams of weight. This is the manually operated digital flash. The maximum image resolution you get in this camera is 6000 into 4000 pixels. And you also get a burst shot photography mode. With the help of just one button you can click many pictures. So this is the image quality of this camera. Since the memory card is not inserted, This device supports a memory expanded memory up to 512 GB, and the ISO ranges from 100 to 12,800. You get image stabilization function as well. Since it's an entry-level camera, you're not getting some advanced features, but overall the features are good for this price range. And for manually focusing, you have to operate the lens like this, and you can easily operate the manual focus. And this is all about this camera. This device has some good functions like pop-up flash, good ISO options, and in this video that's all. And I hope you find this video informative and helpful. You get this lens cover. This is all in this video for now, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye for now.